How to stop people from seeing who viewed their profile on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to browse TikTok profiles without other knowing you viewed them. So you have probably seen notification like someone viewed your profile on TikTok, and you might want to disable this feature so you can check profiles privately without triggering a notification. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do it. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And once you're inside the TikTok, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and from the pop-up menu simply select settings and privacy. And once you are in the settings and privacy section, simply tap on privacy. And from there you can simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled profile views. And by default this feature is turned on, so simply toggle it off. And once disabled, you won't be able to see who viewed your profile, and others won't know when you viewed their profile. And that's it. Now you can browse TikTok profiles anonymously. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.